Hi everyone, I hope everyone doing well. Today I have come to enjoy the yummy food of Saizeriya. It is located in Zhonghuamen. It is 1 kilometer far away from Zhonghuamen subway station. Here you will find very delicious tuna pizza, fruits pizza, mushroom soup, corn soup, potato soups, shimra fry with variety of items can be found here at very cheap price. So watch till the end of the video to know everything about where to get it and what kind of food to get.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight.
Favorite delicious food from here. See how many different food menu is offered here. Although we can't eat all the food because there is a fact of halal and non-halal. So we only order those which are halal. Wow, our food has arrived. Now let's enjoy them.